Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the RBC indices. So first of all, the RBC count, as you know that the male have the 4.5 to 6 into 10 to the power 6 microliter. I mean per microliter RBCs, and the in the female we have the 4 to 5 into 10 to the power 6 per microliter, and in case of the hemoglobin 14 to 17 gram per deciliter. Deciliter means the 100 ml, and also in the female the 14 to no sorry 12 to 15 gram per deciliter hemoglobin is present. So hematocrit is the it is the proportion of the RBC in the blood. Just let's say like here is the 100 ml blood. So in this container of the 100 ml blood, how much RBC is there? So this is the hematocrit. So it is the ratio of the volume of RBC divided by volume of blood. So how much RBCs are present in the 100 ml of blood? So its value is about the 45 percent. So that means the 45 ml, this 45 ml out of 100 ml, 45 ml is the RBC, and this 55 ml will be the plasma. So next thing I'm going to talk is MCV. It is the mean corpuscular volume. So this is the volume of the RBC. Okay, this is the average volume of red blood cells. Average volume of red blood cell. So its value is again nothing to derive, but the normal value is about 80 to 100 FL. That means femtoliter. So femto means let's talk about pico. Pico is 10 to the power minus 12, and femto femto is 10 to the power minus 15. So it is applicable in the liter, gram, whatever. So now till now we know the normal volume of the RBC and the hematocrit value, and the RBC count and hemoglobin count. So the next thing is MCH. That means mean corpuscular hemoglobin. So what does it mean? It is the average content. Okay, average content or weight or mass of hemoglobin, but per RBC cell. So per means number. It's the number. So sorry, it's the number. So average content of hemoglobin per RBC cell. This is the MCH, mean corpuscular hemoglobin. So one RBC which have the size of the 80 to 100 femtoliter. So how much in one single RBC? How much hemoglobin is there? This is the MCH. So how to derive this? So MCH is equal to hemoglobin. That means what? Mass divided by RBC. That means number, right? So it should be of the same volume, same volume. So that we can derive. So from this data we can say in 1 microliter of blood, yeah, 1 microliter of blood there is 4.5 into 10 to the power 6 RBC. So in the 1 liter, so it would be 4.5 into 10 to the power 12 RBC. This is one thing. And next is in 1 deciliter of blood we have 14 gram of hemoglobin, right? So 1 liter of blood it will be 140 gram hemoglobin. Okay, so this is another. So in the 1 liter there is 4.5 into 10 to the power 12 RBC, and also in the 1 liter of blood there is 140 gram. So that means we can say 4.5 into 10 to the power 12 RBC contains contains 140 gram of hemoglobin. So how much one RBC will contain, right? So one RBC will contain 140 divided by 4.5 into 10 to the power 12. So hemoglobin in the gram. Okay. So this value will come like 31.1 into 10 to the power minus 12 gram. That means 31.1 picogram. Fine. So is normal value of this MCH is like 29 plus minus 2 picogram, right? So this is the concentration. No, this is the mass of hemoglobin. Okay, this is the mass of hemoglobin in one single RBC. So next thing is the MCHC. This is the mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. So what is this? The mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration is the average content of hemoglobin per unit of volume, of RBC. So there was in the MCS there was the average content of hemoglobin per RBC cell. This is the number. So this could be the per gram or picogram per one RBC. So here is the per unit volume. That means the gram or or gram of this hemoglobin per liter, or it could be deciliter or microliter or anything. So in the value of the MCHC, we usually take this volume in the in the form of the deciliter. That means 100 ml. So again, let's just say that there is a container containing 100 ml of blood, and where it has 14 gram of hemoglobin, right? So also it has the 45 ml of RBC and 55 ml plasma. So our funda is content of hemoglobin per unit volume of not the blood, it is the RBC. So if 100 ml of blood contains 14 gram of hemoglobin, then that means 100 ml of blood contains 14 gram of hemoglobin. In 100 ml of blood, so plasma cannot contain hemoglobin, so RBC will contain the hemoglobin. So this is the, if we say so, then we can say this also, right? So 45 ml of RBC will contain the 14 gram of hemoglobin. Then 100 ml of RBC will contain how much gram of hemoglobin? This value is the MCHC. So let's do it. So 100 ml of blood, right? It contains 14 gram of hemoglobin. So that means this is the same thing that we can say in the 100 ml of blood we have the 45 ml of RBC. It contains 14 gram of hemoglobin. So then 100 ml of RBC will contain 14 divided by 45 into 100. So this value will give the about 33 gram in what 100 ml so per deciliter. So this value is the MCHC. Thank you guys.